Ciao, travel lovers. Dream of azure waters meeting dramatic mountains, where history whispers from ancient castles and the food is worth the trip. Pack your bags for Lake Garda, Italy. It's more than just a pretty picture. The largest lake in Italy, nestled in the north, shaped like a fjord with mountains and hills. A unique microclimate gives it a Mediterranean feel. Sip local wine while gazing at the sunset. Stroll medieval streets, gelato in hand. Taste fresh pasta, smell lemon groves. Lake Garda is a feast for the senses. Explore this Italian gem with me. Why is Lake Garda a must-visit? Let me count the ways. First, there's the sheer beauty of the place. The crystal-clear water sparkles under the Italian sun. The mountains rise majestically from the shores, creating dramatic backdrops. And the villages? Oh, the villages! Each town and village around Lake Garda has its own unique character. You'll find colorful houses, cobblestone streets, and charming piazzas. Take a leisurely stroll, soak up the atmosphere, and enjoy a scoop or two of gelato. Then there's the food. Lake Garda is known for its fresh local produce. Think juicy tomatoes, fragrant basil, and the region's famous lemons. The olive oil is divine and the wine delizioso. Be sure to try the local specialties like lakefish, polenta, and tortellini. But Lake Garda is more than just a pretty face and a full stomach. It's also a place steeped in history and culture. The region has been attracting visitors for centuries, from Roman emperors to modern-day celebrities. Speaking of history, Lake Garda is full of it. You'll find Roman ruins, medieval castles, and grand villas scattered around the lake. Each one tells a story, whispering tales of emperors, poets, and artists. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Castello Scaliger in Sirmione. This 13th century castle sits on a narrow peninsula guarding the entrance to the lake. It's a sight to behold, especially from the water. Another must-visit is the Vittoriale degli Italiani, the former home of the eccentric poet Gabriele D'Annunzio. This sprawling complex is a fascinating mix of architecture, art, and history. You'll find a warship, a mausoleum, and even an amphitheater. But perhaps the most alluring aspect of Lake Garda is its timeless beauty. It's a place where you can relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature. Take a dip in the lake, go for a hike in the mountains, or simply sit back and enjoy the view. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but how do I get there? Don't worry, getting to Lake Garda is easier than you might think. The closest airports to Lake Garda are Verona Villafranca Airport and Bergamo Orio al Serio Airport. Both airports have regular flights from major European cities. From the airport, you can easily reach Lake Garda by bus, train, or taxi. If you're traveling by train, the nearest major stations are Verona Porta Nuova and Desenzano del Garda Sirmione. From these stations, you can take local buses or ferries to reach your final destination. Once you're at Lake Garda, getting around is a breeze. There's a well-developed public transportation system, including buses and ferries that connect the towns and villages around the lake. You can also rent a car, bike, or scooter if you prefer to explore at your own pace. Lake Garda is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a thrill seeker or prefer a more leisurely pace, there's something for everyone. Water sports are, of course, a major draw. Go swimming, sunbathing, sailing, windsurfing, or kitesurfing. You can rent boats, kayaks, and paddleboards. For a truly unique experience, try canyoning in the nearby mountains. If you prefer to stay on dry land, there are plenty of hiking and biking trails to explore. The mountains offer breathtaking views of the lake and surrounding countryside. You can also go horseback riding, rock climbing, or even paragliding. For a more cultural experience, visit one of the many charming towns and villages around the lake. Explore ancient castles, admire historic churches, and wander through colorful markets. Be sure to sample the local cuisine and wines. Lake Garda is beautiful year-round, but each season offers a different experience. Spring is magical with mild weather, blooming flowers, and calm waters. Summer is peak season, perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Autumn brings vibrant colors with leaves turning gold, orange, and red. Winter is tranquil with fewer crowds and a serene atmosphere. Thanks for watching. Hope you will visit Lake Garda soon.